Hi, this question has come up a couple times recently on the Garmin subreddit about whether you can use regular quick release watch bands on the Fenix 6. The Fenix 6 has the quick release bands just like the previous versions, which are pretty easy to get on and off. The problem is the selection sucks. There are almost no aftermarket watch bands for them. So, fortunately, the 6 has spring-loaded pins, so they're super easy to take in and out. They're not bolted in the way older versions are. Now, you can put the quick release pins right in there. They fit pretty easily. The problem is they're thinner than, let me see if I can find it. They're a lot thinner than the pins that come in the watch, so they jiggle around. We don't want that. So what I did with mine is I got some spare pins, that's what these are, from Barton on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description. And I replaced, here's another watch band, I took the quick release pins out and just put some of those Barton ones in, just kind of force fit them into the silicone watch band. I don't know how well that would work on other materials if you've got a metal or leather or something like that. So your mileage may vary. The most fiddly part of this process is getting the quick release pins out. What I did is I took a straight pin from my sewing kit and just, get that to focus, slip it under the thing there while I kind of force it out. And there we go. So, do that again with the other side. Like I said, this is the hardest part. Come on. All right, so we've got those quick release pins out. You can save them for another time or not. So these are the pins that I got from Barton, which match the ones that come stock in the Garmin watch. And I just push that against the table to get it through there. Recommend doing that on a piece of paper or something so you don't scratch up your table. So got that, and they spring in really easy. And it's a little hard to tell, but they are much more secure than just the quick release pins. And there you have it. Hope that helps.